So the first thing first, you go to the 4 hours time frame to look at what the market is doing. Okay. After that, now you can reset what? You can reset. You know hata nilikuwa nisha analyze it market. You the same strat, what you are doing, nilikuwa nimeanalyze and kawin hiyo siku. So if I remove everything on this chart, okay, I reset it like this so you see it clearly. Okay. Na nakumbuka hii kitu hadi nilikuwa nimeelezea bado kwa live TikTok. The reason why I told you that markets moves on a channel, it follows a channel. It doesn't mean that in all your charts, you mark a trend line. I told you you can mark a trend line like this. Okay, so if you mark a trend line like that, the market is following this trend. That's why nilikuwa nakwambia we are creating steps. The first step, higher, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. These are the steps. Okay, that's for you. The first thing first, if you cannot identify a trend, you draw a line. You draw a line like this below. Okay, you draw a line like that below it. Sio nichore hapo na nichore hapa juu, itakuconfuse what you are doing, itakuconfuse. Umeona? So what you are doing now, if you open your charts first, you want to identify a trend, you draw from this low, creating your steps. Unaona hivyo? Creating your steps like that. How I say that, this is our step. Okay, that's our step. This is our step. Okay, and also this is our step right here. But now, if the market breaks a trend line, so what I was saying is this: the essence of using this trend line is to know that the market should stay above that trend line in the back of your head. Sio lazima uichore kwa charts, ike kwa charts zako zitakuwa chafu. Ndio unajiambia sasa hii market yetu ikibreak hii step hapa, ndio nachoranga hivyo. Break that step, if you check carefully, after nimechora hiyo step, you see, wacha nichore tena vizuri. You see, to make a steps, we've put steps. Wait a minute, we've put steps. Wacha nianze na steps. We put our steps like this. Hiyo ni step yetu. Okay. Hii ni step yetu ingine. Okay. These are our other step. Okay. Okay. This was our other step, was right this level right here. Now, that was our step. Now, the essence of this trend line is, if now the market breaks either of these steps, okay, it has changed the direction now. Ukiangalia hivyo now, these steps will act as a support for the market, as a support. The market touches here, it should buy to create a new high. We have this as our latest high right here. It should buy to create a new high. But ilishindwa kubuy, break your step. So now we are below this trend line. It means what? The buy trend imeisha. Mashika, the buy trend imeisha. In top-down analysis, the market was buying. Now it has broken this step, it has broken the trend line. It means now the buy trend has stopped. Now we are about to sell. And if you check carefully, after that support was broken, it became a very strong resistance. Unaona ilikuwa a support. When it was broken, the market came back the first time, the second time, ikaretest, ikashindwa kubreak above it. So it's a very strong level. So for now, the market has changed buyers from buying, now it's a seller's market. So nikifungua chart yangu hivyo, venye tu nimekuonesha, umeshaangalia, umechora steps zako. Steps zako, another term for steps ni demand and supply. So what happens is this: nimefungua chart yangu hivyo, nimeona tumeanza na trend line yetu, kujua market kama imechange buyers. So tumechora trend line yetu hivi like that. So this level right here was our support. This level right here, unaona hapo, this was our support right there. So the market has already violated that support. It has taken out that support like that. So what is going to happen now? It has taken that support like that. So tukishajua market yetu imekuwa hivyo, tumechora our source, tumejua market yetu sasa imebreak hiyo level, you can remove that na usikue na kazi chafu sana. Then you continue drawing your levels, your support levels. Now hii support level now unachora mahali market imeguza previously ikabounce. Ukiangalia hapa market iliguza ikabounce. And as I always say, the bounce as a support from a higher time frame is a very strong support. Ukiangalia hapa market iliguza hapa, ikaguza hapa, ikaguza hapa, ikaguza hapa, ikaguza hapa. It's a very strong support level. Now, this market now, we are operating, listen, our operating zone, because it's the 4 hours time frame. Na sisi ni these traders ama scalpers. We don't need all this information right here. What we know is this: we have steps below here. If the market violates that level, it's coming to this step right here. Unashika, that's our step. Ikibreak hiyo level inakuja kwa hii step nyingine hapa. Ukiangalia mimi nimechora tu nazijua mahali market inafaa kuenda. But now because it's today we want to trade, we are gonna only focus between these two levels right here. Hapa juu na this support. So what happens is between these two levels nitakuwa na operate here. Now if I go to the lower time frame, so what I'm saying is this: ukiangalia vizuri sasa, mimi sija complicate, there's no too much drawings in my chart, inakaa hivyo. Now I can clearly tell you how I tell you online or kwa live is that we are operating between this high and this low. So this is our low right here. We are operating on that level like that. Okay, I can reduce this to get a clear zone like that. So to operate here between this level and this level.